I'm Deanne with WTI, and it seems like I can never have enough power strips throughout my house. This power strip is very nice because it has a feature that I haven't seen before. The plug-in spacing is wider than normal. Over here they give you a lot of room for those plugs that are larger than normal. Not only that, but there are 3 USB plug-ins over here. This cord is a lovely braided cord, which means it won't kink, and it's 6 feet long. Power strips are essential in my house, and I think you'll really like this one, and that's my point of view.